Let me start how to do assignment, how to attend the assignment paper of boss examinations. Assignment has been started from tomorrow and it will continue up to 10th October, and 24 hours. I mean the portal will remain open 24 hours for the students to attend this and assignments. So I am going to share you the tutorials video and video instructions how to attend or appear in assignment, how to attend the assignment of papers. Let me know how. Then at first, just you have to follow your group where the assign link for assignment already shared link for assignment. Just you have to click on this link that will lead to a new opening a new window. That new window looks like this interface. I think you can easily understand the data required by this system. At first, you have to input or enter your full name in capital letter, registration number, and uh, scheduled scheduled exam, and per day you are allowed to attend only two assignment papers. Only two assignment papers can be done a day. So first exam or second exam, and just you have to select the class. I mean the standard 10th or 12th. Just you have to select either of 10th or 12th. Then followed by the subject, then followed by the date of birth of the candidate. At first, let me show you. I have already entered a sample data of a student to demonstrate this video easily. A name, this student's name, and this they are just you have to type it. The registration number ID is it. uh, this is called registration ID, and this registration ID can be uh, downloaded from your uh, login in boss portal. But otherwise you can contact your concerned or respective study centers to collect your ID card. And I have already shared the ID card, sample of ID card, how to find out the registration ID from your ID card. This is your ID card, and just you have to see. Just look at the left uh, bottom left of your ID card. Here you are viewing that enrollment number. This is your enrollment number. In other word, it is also called. It is also known as registration ID. This registration ID can be found from your identity card. After getting this registration ID of your of the students needs to input the registration ID here, and then you have to select the first exam today or second exam today. Per day you are allowed to appear or attend only two exams, two assignments per day. If you have five subjects, then you have to appear first two papers first day, and second two papers second day, and third paper and fifth papers you have to attend the fifth papers third day. That if you have six papers, then you have to attend only two papers, first two papers first day, second two papers second day, and uh, rest of the papers, I mean two papers, other two papers, fifth or sixth papers in third day. So just you are allowed to attend only two papers per day. My first exam, just I am let me show. My first exam, I am selecting it. But my first exam, and class 12 subject, I have selected subject physics, and you can get your subject already. You can get your subjects or papers from your login, which can be found in the boss's official website, boss.ac.in. You can log into boss. Just example how to get your papers, boss.ac.in. Just you have to go to the student zone, and after going to student zone, just you have to enter your registration number and date of birth. Then date of birth followed by signing in. Then after signing in, you can have your subjects what kind of what types of subjects, what subjects you have chosen or have selected during your admissions. Here you can say this, in this portion of the window you can get your subjects here, and respective students uh, uh, has their own portal in boss websites where you can have your subjects. Or if you want to get more information regarding your subject, please contact your admission persons or respective centers. And then let me go to the window for assignment. This is the assignment window, and physics, I have already selected physics. And then start, class may be 10th or 12th, whatever you have chosen the class, just you have to enter the class 10th or 12th. And then followed by subject, followed by entering your date of birth. Then just you have to click on the start assessment. I think that let me try it using other data, because already I think the students has already attended the papers. For this reason, it is not allowing us to enter the screen under the assessment screen. Let me show another. Let me show another students whose name is Arju Khatun. Whose name is Arju Khatun. I'm entering or copy Arju Khatun. Just you have to type the uh, proper spelling of your name, then followed by registration number. It can be found from your ID card. I am for saving time. I have already in created. I have already created prepared Excel sheet to get the data easily. My first exams. I'm selecting the first exam, and 12th class, and subject is English. Let me show English is common for everyone. Date of birth. Then followed by start assessment. Just it will allow you to the main screen of assessment. Then you have to click on the agree to enter. Then you have to click on start now, and after start now your camera will open to detect your face and capture your face. And if your and face will be captured after face will be is captured, then you have to click on the proceed. If you want to retake the photo, then you can click on the retake option. That will again capture your photo. Then proceed. After proceeding, just you have to click on full screen. Then enter questions will be displayed front of you, in front of I mean in your display. Then after there are 20 questions to be answered, to be selected, to be all types of questions belong to all questions belong to multiple choice MCQ type. Then after getting this, just you have to search the questions from Google through your other mobile phone, through the help of your other phone. Just you have to just let me just for example, I am selecting some questions here. Answer was, but you are requested to select the right answers only. Selecting that I am going to attend all the questions displayed here. Then submit. After selecting, after attempting all the questions, just you have to click on the submit button to uh, finish your exam. Then submit. Then after successful submit of your assignment, uh, a window will appear to your mobile phone or laptops that will show that your assessment is successfully submitted, where your class, your standard, class, and your subjects and subject codes, and how much time have you have taken to attend the to complete this assignment, and in which date you have started, and what time you have started and completed. Everything will be shown here, including the registration ID. That is the process. So I think you can easily understand how to attend the how to log into the assignment window, and how to attempt the questions. Thank you very much. For other queries, or if you have still, if you have any kind of queries, or if you have any questions, if you have any technical issues, please contact your concerned or admission persons to have to get the clear clear advice. Okay, thank you very much.